This is how the 31st of the year 2022 evening was. We marinated some chicken and we went to the guest house of the university because our respected HOD sir invited us for a 31st December's party. In the menu there were salad, mashed smoked brinjal, papad, aloo with sesame seed fry, rice, dal, mixed veg curry of aloo, cauliflower, and then the mutton curry. And we all had a great dinner with sir and his respected wife. Then kheer was added there. We returned to the department again and smoked the chicken we kept already. We had some of it and had some music and some good times, and at 12 a.m. we wished Happy New Year to each other, which I could not record.